I taught my Budgie to fly to my hand on command, and it's been such a fun adventure. It all started with a little patience and a few tasty treats. I'd hold out my hand and call his name, and every time he made it to me, I'd reward him with his favorite seeds. It took a few tries, but soon enough, he was zooming over like a little feathered rocket. The key is to keep it playful and positive. I made sure our training sessions were short and sweet, just like him. Now, whenever I call, he flutters over, and it feels like we're in our own little bird-human dance. It's amazing how much trust and connection we've built. If you've got a Budgie, give it a shot. You might be surprised at how quickly they catch on.